If you are working with a PP woven bag manufacturer for large volume supply, production capability is always the first thing to evaluate. In a real manufacturing environment, capability is defined by how production is structured, controlled, and sustained at scale. The process begins with polypropylene extrusion, where raw material is converted into flat yarn under controlled conditions. This yarn is then processed across multiple circular looms running in parallel, forming woven fabric continuously at industrial volume. From there, material flows through lamination and printing lines, depending on product requirements, followed by cutting and sewing into finished bags. Each stage operates under defined parameters, where fabric density, tensile strength, and construction are monitored to ensure consistency across large production batches. At this level, production is not about individual machines, but about a coordinated system that maintains stable output over time. This is what allows a PP woven bag manufacturer to support long-term supply, not just sample orders. Finished products are inspected, organized, and prepared for container-level shipment, ensuring reliable delivery for global distribution. This is how a real PP woven bag manufacturer operates at the factory level. Thank you for watching the entire video of the PP woven bag production process by Huong Packaging Company Limited.